Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I am your English teacher. I am Shugufta Makbool. Please open this book of read now, reading comprehension and language skills. A new way to fish. Today we will have to find nouns of this lesson. Before starting and finding nouns and before starting this work, I am going to revise it again. What is noun? Naming things are called nouns. The definition of nouns is naming things are called noun. For example, name of any person, it's mean my name, your name, name of anything like mobile, book is thing. Any person, place means city. You can tell the name of city. Country, Bahawalpur is city, country is Pakistan, so country name is Pakistan. So name of any person, place or thing are called nouns. Naming things are called nouns. So I am going to find nouns of this lesson. Let's start reading. One very cold day in winter, a large brown bear met a sly fox. The fox was carrying a big string of fish which he had stolen. Look at here, day. Day is the name of day, like sunny day, windy day. So day is also noun. Bear, this is bear. The name of animal, this is also noun. You will write N here. Next one is fox is written here. Fox is also noun. You will write here N, like this way. Next one, this is string. String mean a material and a thing that we use to catch a fish. This is also noun. This kind of, this is a rod, a string, this kind. This is also noun. Look at here, a string for fish. This is also noun. A string is also noun. N is written here. You will write here. I am going to write N here. Noun. This is noun. Next one, paragraph I am reading. Listen it carefully. My goodness, said the bear. What a lovely catch. I am very fond of fish. Where did you get them? I caught them in the river, replied the fox. Where did you think I got them from? They don't grow on trees. In this paragraph, river, this is river, a body that is filled with water. River is a thing that is filled with water. River, this is also noun. And next one is trees. Trees are also nouns. So I will write here now. Next one is, I know that, growled the bear. I have been fishing for years but never caught so many. I thought I knew all the best places around here. If I tell you, will you keep it a secret? Asked the fox. Look at here. Fishing is an activity. Fishing, to catch fish. Fishing is also noun. I will write here N. Bear is written here. This is also noun. Look at here. Places like Karachi, like Bahawalpur, like any place, name of places. This is also noun. Next one is fox is written again. This is written here and you will write here N. Next one, a paragraph that I am going to read. Of course, I have a new way of fishing, said the fox. I don't try to catch fish with my paws as you do. I use my brains and I always get as many as I want. How do you do it? Asked the bear. Again, fishing is noun. You will have to write it here. Fox is written here. This is noun. Look at here, pass is written here. This is also noun, pass. You are seeing pass of beer. This is also noun. Brains, this is also, and you will write here noun. The beer is written here. This is also noun. Okay students, today you will have to find nouns of this page number 50 of lesson A New Way to Fish, like this way. And you, after finding and after writing like this way on book, you will have to write in notebook of literature also. If you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Thank you so much.